In this presentation, we make a return visit to the West Florida Railroad Museum in Milton, Florida. The museum is located at the former Louisville and Nashville Railroad Passenger and Freight Depot on 503 Henry Street, Milton, Florida. According to the West Florida Railroad Museum website, the depot on the National Register of Historic Places is owned by the Santa Rosa Historical Society and leased by the West Florida Railroad Museum. The museum and its model railroad gift shop are open Wednesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The operating HO model railroad and the Emerald Coast Garden Railway Club's outdoor layout are open to the public on Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The museum is a place to hear historical background, a place to walk among and see objects, tools, and equipment of yesteryear up close. In addition to cleaning building exteriors, the railroad cars have been painted. The interior of the dining car is being refurbished with cabinets in the kitchen, and air conditioning has been installed. With the relaxing of COVID restrictions, the dining car returns to being available for club meetings and birthday parties. The wood plank surface of the flat car has been replaced. Funding of the planks was and continues to be done through the sale of nameplates for individual planks. The HO display models times past of Santa Rosa County and the city of Milton. The Garden Railway operates several tracks with models of old-time and modern trains. Guests are encouraged to add cars to or remove cars from a train by operating the yard switching equipment on the table. Plus, there is a 7.5-inch gauge riding train. Occasionally, unscheduled Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railroad trains pass by the museum. Thank you for watching.